Na tuyambia Mauvoo maituni kana Useuvya wa Silanga munene wa Thwake ula ukwithiwa uyosa kiw'u kuma usini wa Athi na wa Thwake kaunti ya Makueni uvikite kilungu cha miongo 8 yuluwaiana. Mauvoo ni kwianana na injinia ula uungamiite mulati Samuel Alima ula waweta kana Useuvya waw'o wiikwatiw'a kuthela na kuvinguwa kwi Matuku 6 mwai wa keli mwakani tuendete. Mwandikitu Chalo ena livoti.
Matuku 6 mwai wa keli mwaka ukite wa 2024 ni Silanga wa Thwake uthela oyu uvikie lungu ya miongo 8 katoni na yuluwaiana. Undula wikithiwa ni injinia Samuel Alima ula ni wa muungami munene wa maundu meokonya kiw'u nthini wa Mauvoo wa kiw'u na ung'ithia wa miunda va Kenya. Kavindane kale tambukite Silanga ni wa Thwake kuthuima undu wendeye.
The completion date is 6 February 2024 and we are now at 84.4%. So every week we are monitoring what have we achieved. So that's why we are here, and every month we are monitoring what we have achieved.
Engineer Alima asiaka no kutoa Silanga lo kitu kati wa usi ni wo tumete ukua ivinda ya sanga.
The challenge that I'm foreseeing as the technician in charge is that this is a concrete faced dam and the embankment is very massive, it's very huge. 11 million meter cubed of material being put there. You have seen rocks, you have seen big stones being put there. So they have to be given some time to settle.
Uneni wa Alima ukakavindane kalanza mwana ya mbunge ya Katito ngowene muyumbe wake tuicha umelone wa suwa ni mrodi mbai ile kilya ripoti ile kuona nyakanosi wa Athi taumwe kati wa mbosi ila sina keko kithuku na kelane muisyo kwa uima wamwe. Ona uyo vonza maene yende na kwiko kunikeli kumano na keko kina vala minister wa maundu mothu kumiwa serikali kithure kendiki uwetie kana serikali taiyumete kuthesya mbosi hii.
For environmental protection, the easiest and most legal route is to use the Environmental Coordination Act. We have a beautiful legislation, beautiful system. It's just giving life to some of these things. That is not difficult.
Waki wa Silanga wa Thwake utwaiwe nthini wa ilungu 3 kana phase 3. Kilungu cha mbe ni kutuma nyoka kiw'u na kila kikwatwa kuthela mwako usitwathi. Kilungu chake leva kiendewa mwaki wa stima kwikiwa na indi vaimino kilwa na kilungu cha 3 na kila kiokonia maundu maung'ithia wa miunda. Chalo Motongoi TV vilingi wa Mauvoo kuma Silanga wa Thwake kaunti ya Makueni.